Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. This pie is a popular dessert around here year-round. Note that most other recipes call for pumpkin spice, but it is not worth buying it unless you're making a large number of pies. The spice amounts used here will give you the same result. This is really easy to make: mix, pour, and bake. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Pie crust, pumpkin puree, sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, evaporated milk, egg. Now let's make it. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can make some from whole milk. Start with twice as much whole milk, and simmer it for 30 to 40 minutes until the volume is reduced by half. Avoid boiling. Preheat oven to 220°C, 425 F. Lightly beat the eggs in medium-sized bowl. Mix all of the other ingredients. Pour into the pie shell. Bake for 15 minutes. Keep reading. Reduce heat to 180°C, 350 F, and bake for an additional 40 to 50 minutes. A knife inserted in the middle should come out moist but mostly clean, and the filling should only be slightly jiggly. You may want to cover with foil after about 30 minutes to prevent the top from burning. Cool on a wire rack. Serve plain, or topped with vanilla ice cream, or my favorite, some whipped cream and a small sprinkling of cinnamon for color. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.